Hey guys, just wanted to thank you for stopping by to my channel, cashflow25k.com. I will be your host. My name is Rodney or Coach Rod. I want to thank you for stopping by because what that tells me is that you are motivated to change your life. And what I mean by that is you may be at a dead end job, you may be in a career where it's not going anywhere, or maybe you've reached your ceiling. Maybe you already make a good income, maybe you make already six figures plus, but you're looking for more. You want to branch out, you want to do more things with your life, you want more financial freedom for your family. Maybe it's time. Maybe you work so much that you're trying to alleviate that work so that way you can spend more time with the ones that you love and care about, right? They say that Americans, out of 52 weeks, only take about 2 weeks off for their families. Now, think about that. Isn't that crazy? Out of 52 weeks, we give back to our families to have fun and go hang out 2 weeks. That is very unbalanced. So, what this is going to allow you to do is leverage your time. Give you more time with the ones that you love. Give you more time to create memories, to create financial freedom, to do amazing things with your lives. Do something that you've never done before. Go on a trip that you've never even thought was possible, all by this system. Now, this system has generated people anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 a month every single month and above, and even more than that, actually. So I'm excited to share this information with you. This program is so powerful. What this really is all about, guys, is reaching people, okay, and helping them change their lives. Okay, so this system will help you reach hundreds of people daily without you lifting a finger. And what it also is going to help you do is leverage your time so that way you can actually focus on your family, focus on the ones that you love. Okay, so with this system, not only can it help you reach hundreds of people a day, but it's going to do all the work for you. Okay, so it's going to do the selling for you, it's going to do the telling for you, it's going to explain the whole system, the compensation, the different levels that you can make. We got different levels. You can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,500, $6,500, $12,000, and even up to $20,000 per sale. Now let me say that again. That is per sale. Okay? So with this system, you're reaching all these people. It does the selling, telling, explaining for you. It also follows up for you as well. So the only people that are going to be in your inbox are voice messages of people that want more information. And they're knocking down your door wanting that information because they're ready to do something. They're ready to get started. They're ready to change their lives. They're sick and tired of working where they're at. They're sick and tired of their dead end jobs. They're sick and tired of not having enough time with their family. And guess what? Those people are ready and they are motivated and they're ready to see what this is all about. And all you have to do is show it to them. Okay? So just like what you're doing right now, you're going to go to my website, which is cashflow25k.com. And what you're going to do is once you go there, guys, you're going to come to this page right here. And it's going to have your name, email, phone number. You're going to enter that information in there. And then you're going to click on this green button. Tell me more. Once you do, it's going to take you to a video. You're going to watch that video. It's going to do everything for me. So it's going to tell you about the products, it's going to tell you about the company, it's going to tell you about the compensation package, all the different levels of sales that you can make. And guys, it is 100% real. My biggest payday in one day, one sale was $12,000. $12,000 in one day. Okay? So this is not some like hype, too good to be true type situation. This is 100% real. People are making big money. So what I encourage you to do is go to my website, cashflow25k.com. Enter your information in these boxes right here. Put your name in there and your email and your phone number. Click on that button. I will give you a call back as well. Once you're on that page, guys, it's also going to have an 800 number. After you get done watching the video, It's going to be 800 number. You call that number. It's 800-642-4828. You'll see it right on that page. And then just leave me your name and your phone number. I will call people back. I call people back that are actually really motivated and ready to get started with me. And again, you're not by yourself. This system is actually great because you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. And the training is phenomenal. It's really a plug and play system. You just plug into the system, you do exactly what it tells you to do, and you will not fail. Guaranteed. I was the biggest skeptic out there. I didn't, but I took a leap of faith and it's changed my life. So I encourage you, take a leap of faith, do something different, do something powerful, do something meaningful, and then I promise you, you will not regret it. So again, go to the website, put in your information, and I will be happy to give you a call back. Those of you that are willing to take action and have questions, and I will definitely answer those for you. Again, call that number on the video, leave your name and your phone number, and I will be happy to give you a call back, answer any questions that you may have, and then I'll be happy to get you started. Okay? So until then, I look forward to talking with you, and I will be uploading more videos for you as well. And I can't wait to talk to you.